Hello, and welcome to the arcade shooter system. Today we're going to be going over Decal Assign extension, previously known as Decal Set. As you can see, I completely redid the entire UI, making it much more user-friendly and just easier to look at. Let's go ahead and slide this over to the corner right here so we can play with it a bit. So we have two separate modes that we can use. We can use manual mode or object select mode. In manual mode, you'll be manually assigning various environment types or decal types and then manually assigning the objects into those lists so that you can set up a few different types at the exact same time instead of doing them individually. So in this instance we have water, electric device, and wood. So we can create all three of those at the exact same time and click the decal controllers, the update tags, and it'll do it all at once. In Object Select mode, instead we manually select objects in the scene and then use the buttons to add decal controllers and update tags. Let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to set the environment tag to environment, and we're going to set the environment type to concrete. So now let's look at the scene and grab a couple of walls. As you can see, they just have a mesh collider and that's it. So now that we have our values set, we'll create the decal controllers, update the tags, and boom, everything is there exactly as we want. Now once we actually go back into play mode, we can see that everything should function correctly. Ta-da! So now you can see that decals and impact particles are being spawned exactly as we want, and the objects were quickly and easily set up without much hassle. In the future, I'll be going over the Decal Manager extensions and some of the player extensions as well. So look forward to that, and thank you for watching.